Good enough. Good enough, right? You can see? You can't see me. You know why? Because I am John. Hold on a second. Let's just load the map meanwhile, because it's going to take a little while. Let me get the chat up a little bit. Can you actually make it online? I'm wondering. Can you? Is that possible? No. So, yes. I have an idea. I don't even know. What? Oh, still building the environment. So, yeah. There you go. It's done. It's done. It's kinda done. Yes. Cheers. Just kidding. Create stone axe using wood, plant fibers, and small stones of $1 million. Come on. Okay, so this is the place we last left off. Okay, I would assume. I really don't need that coal at the moment. Let's put the iron in here as well. Well, you know what? Let's take half of it. There you go. Nice. Turn this off. The rest of this good water in here. Hey, a lot of water. It's always great to have a lot of water. Why do I have a lot of first aid kits in here? They're not supposed to be in here. Hold on. Anything else that's medical? No, that seems. Hold on, right? Oh, I think I already know that. Okay. So here. Oh, wrong button. Medical stuff. Oh. And painkillers. Hold on, no. All this. 29 in here. Wow. A lot of good stuff, I can see. What does it take to make a first aid kit? Hold on, medicine. Because I know now. Blood bag, grain, alcohol, bandage, and duct tape. We got all that. All those stuff. Hey! Would you look at us? Hold on. Boop, boop, boop. Just upgrading this slowly, you know? Okay, so what was the plan? I forgot. What was the plan we should do today? I think it was make the tunnel, if I'm not mistaken. And I think that was the last one. Look at that. Construction tools, level 59. Good stuff, good stuff. Hold on. You know what? Let's scavenge. I have a good idea. Good feeling about this. Okay. So what we're going to do now, put wood spikes in here. Let's keep that. Plant fire. Let's also put some in here. We don't need that many at the moment. Antibiotics. Got a lot of them. A lot. We don't need that a lot. Look at this. It's awesome. Can you name this chest? No, I don't think so. Okay. Seems about to be it. Okay. So now. Oh. 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 Fell on that though. That was unexpected. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. There you go. I'm alright. Okay. So the idea now is to go and scavenge. Should we go up to the town or down here again? You know what? Let's go to the town. To go to the town, we need to go this way. The reason why I'm going to scavenge is that we need a lot of stuff for the forge. Yeah. Oh, a man is hungry. He's some kind of tuna. That should be good enough, right? Not good enough. Arrows. Need more stone. I've been in that house, right? Let's go up and see if I remember correctly, there was one house I haven't been in. Well, oh no, I've been in this house. I know. I remember. Or hold on. Hold on a second. Just to make sure. This is just to make sure. Why is this so much damage? There are some people up here. That's weird. Okay, so I've been in that one before, I think, with the Murder, or Expert Lotus, I should say. Hold on, is that I thought I saw a birdnest, and I was correct. Let's just make arrows. Oop. Wrong button. Oop. There you go. Gather some stone as well. Look at us surviving. Okay. Was that me? I think that was me. Oh yeah. Welcome, first viewer. Welcome to the stream. To the stream. For some reason it's hard for me to find birdness. It must be because of all these grass and stuff. It's also $1 million. But that's correct, I think. Hold on. There was a lag because it had to save. What was that game? Oh yeah, it used to be Minecraft on consoles. Before they came to the update where it auto-saved without, you know, going out of the gameplay. You actually you had to wait every day when it auto-saved. It just stopped, and it took a while to save, and it was so annoying. So you just had to turn it off and save yourself when you were done. But that's the bad thing, because sometimes the game crashed and you lost all those save data that you made, and you need to start all over again. That was not good times, not good times. Hey, look at that house. Oh, I'm pretty sure, yes, that's the house I've been scavenging before. Let's try to go into that house, or that small one. The cabin in the village, I think. Toyers. Hey, could something be down here? Hold on. Let me just make a shovel. Why is there like a reinforced wall right here? It doesn't make any sense. There is nothing here. Oh, wrong one. Hey, I get iron. that doesn't make any sense. I don't understand why it's there. See? There's no reason. The door is unlocked. I don't need to bring it. Water. I will have a lot stacked. I'll see if I just pick up the candle. No upstairs? No. How did that make that window then? It looked like this house had an upstairs. I don't know what happened to it. What's this? Can you climb it? No. Is there something up there? I'm wondering. Because I wouldn't be surprised if a house like this, with a broken upstairs like that, has secrets. Huh. Anything up there? I can't see anything though. It's probably not. My mom is getting really hungry now, so I would expect that we could find some food. Yes, I've been here before, I can see that. Let's go, let's see if I mark it. I'm not rated yet. I went in this one. That I remember that with Trunter when he was stuck and he asked for help. I went all the way over. Those nightmare zombies, literally everywhere. And then it turned to night before we could get out, so we just had to have the night inside. And you should just know it's horrible. Just can I jump over? Or have I been in this house? I think I've been in this house. Hold on. Yes, I've been in here. I remember I broke in. Because I was like, screw the door. A lot easier to get in through the window, you see? Or is this the house? Let's just look around. Just to be sure. Yes, this is the house. Okay. Good. Let's just get out of here. Wrong window. Oops. Let's go in that house instead. Steel arrowhead. Noise. Don't need oil. I don't need it. Yes, I know. Oil is the most, one of the most easiest thing to find in this whole entire level, or this whole entire game. If I remember correctly, if you just smash a car, you get a lot of oil as well. It's that easy. It's like, what's the meaning of this? Mouth water. Can you use that to make real water? Let me get those stairs, please. See Daisy. There's holes in the floor. Sometimes it feels like there should be some secrets. Ooh, good stuff. Already have a lot of those, but let's see if we can actually find something for like a forge. Stuff we actually need. Oh, there's a zombie there. Did she die? She died? That was so easy. We already have one of these at home, so let me just read it so I get more skill level. Aha! Science. Oh, there she is. Didn't see her. Well, I am a bad shot. Hold on. I heard you. I got a lot of arrows. When I shoot their head, it's so easy. Probably because I've got more level on these stuff. Hey. What are you doing? Well, that was easy. You know, I'm taking stuff because when I don't have space for something good, I can just get rid of stuff I know I just don't need at the moment. Look at this house. Let's go in here. The garage first, because it should make sense that some of the stuff for the forge probably could be in a garage. I hear zombies in here. Oh, zombies are around. I stink at this. You know what I just found out? It's about to get dark. And you know what that means? Running zombies. Where did all these come from? It's a small village, and we pretty much killed everyone. Me and Junker. And there's a lot of nurses, but I've never seen a hospital in this game. Thank you, finally. I wasted so many arrows. don't have anything. Oh, she has painkillers. Let me get inside. Hello. Well then, I am such a bad shot. Okay, now I'm getting pissed. There you go. Alzheimer's, something. Hold on, we don't need cans work. What does that do? There you go. Don't need dirt either. Okay. Nest. Yes. Woohoo. Piss off. Because we can make more arrows. Oh wait, I already had that, so okay. This place had a door, but it was reinforced. So I just went the easy way in. Is that a store down here? The store first. Because it probably have better stuff than all these houses. Whoops. How much health can you have? There you go. Remember, aim for the head. I'm sensed. Interesting. It sounds like someone's inside. Whoa! It just turned night. Calm down. Since it turned night, it means that I need to get inside here quick. It's probably not the best way. When I get in here, I'm gonna... Oh my gosh. We'll put this right at night in here. There you go. Where's the candles? Where's the candles? Photo. Photo. Nothing in these clubs. How do I access these boxes? Just break them? Okay. Makes sense. Good stuff, good stuff. Let's look in this one. Oh, yes. Oh no. It makes sense now. Let's just put it back in there. They're saying my name. Oh, a lot of food. Shut up. A potato. I could probably use that to make seeds. Gone. Oh yeah, there's somewhere. Now he's getting thirsty. Wasn't good. How's the light working? Shouldn't the electricity be out? This again? Swines. Let's just pick up everything in a moment. Let's just make a new bow, just to be sure. Wow, look at that. Sounds like we're almost bringing in. Okay, you just be there, please. Ooh. I'm on the another box. Corn. Great. I can make more stuff. Sense, right? There's nothing in these boxes. Makes me mad. Why would they be you know, boxes that are completely safe? They have nothing on them. That doesn't make any sense. Hold on, we've got too many jars. No water. What? Water down here. Oh. Doesn't seem like they can get me, you know. Seems like they're slowly bringing in. I just reload. There we go. This is useful. Hunting knife book. New recipe on a hunting knife. Nice. It's getting really loud. Just too many zombies. Is there anything else I can look at? Oh, what's up there? Jump. Yes. At the very end. I'll just be up here. Ooh. Uh-oh. He's breaking in. Shoot him. What's he doing? Headshot. Sounds like the other one's stuck in there. Let's see, can we do anything with the stone axe? Can repair it, but we can also make a new one. Let's just make a new one. Is it getting better and better? Okay, you know what? Look at the time. I'm gonna kill this with my hammer. It's not gonna run back really. Should know that. You should already have. Okay. All too easy. Right. Let's go home. Or should we perhaps continue scavenging? It's still an option. Or it's unlocked. I found a pistol. Yes. That's some good stuff. I got a freaking pistol, mate. Pistol. I found a pistol. Yes. Look at me now, huh? Look at me now. You don't always need to build stuff, you can scavenge. Alright. This house had an upstairs. I can pick up that, but I don't want to. Is there anything good up here? I can't see anything. Doesn't seem like there's anything good. Trees growing inside this house. Okay, so there doesn't seem to be a secret room either. So I think I need to search more on this house. Huh. Okay then. I gotta try out the pistol soon. Hold on. What happened in this house? I told you. Keep away from me. That's how you use a pistol. I don't need that. Neither do I need large bones and claw. You can just make claws, you know. Also, we have a lot of little brass trophies. There you go. I thought there wasn't one before I must have been wrong. There are still sand green. Whoops. What's the wrong thing? This is a nice store. It doesn't seem like people are in this house and the zombies arrived. What? Learning a little stuff. Hold on. I need to turn this pistol. Oh my. Oh. Look at me. Using a pistol. This place seems to have been looking great. Sad that they had to go in ruins. Please, right now. Oh my. Chainsaw. Something should stop for there's so many soldiers. I'm doing it. Look at it. I am surviving this. How many can I kill? Just like a kid. Why is he walking like a dog? There you go. I made it in everyone's face. I am the king of this game. Seriously. Wow. Spider zombie. That's what he's called. I haven't seen that one before. And now level 26. Where's that noise coming from? This house? Whoa. Hey. Would you look at that? Fat bastard foe. You're not staying far. This is amazing. Me surviving like a beast. I'm gonna tell Trenter that he needs to watch this video. He is going to be amazed how I survived that. Wow. Just wow. Hold on, let me eat this food. Oh, I forgot I'm contaminated. I need antibiotics. There you go. Eat painkillers as well. There you go. Hold on. More bullet ammo. Nice. I think. Yeah. Ah. Lamp rotation. Good food, good food. Awesome. Ooh, look at this. Does it have a grill? No, it does not. Okay. Then it's not useful for me. Ooh. Okay, this house is built amazing. I think you can use that. Look at me going down. Let's just go on the trash can. There we go. Easy peasy. Look at this. Look at this. They were really trying to break in. But you know me, I'm too good. I'm too good for those zombies. Look. Oh my. I am freaking lucky. That's the power of Christ. Guys, it's the power of Christ. Even in video games. Even in video games. He show me. He is able to show me how am I going to say this? His unlimited love. Limitless. He is there for me. Okay, your new friend on Snapchat. I don't think I need that much paper. I think we also have a lot at home. But sure, if not, I'll just go out here and get it. Yeah. Don't have more ammo to this gun. I'll get some later, perhaps. There's more and more great stuff here to learn. What happens when you learn everything in the game? Do you get like an achievement? Oh, you should get an achievement for that, because that just means you're too amazing. Still can't find any things from the forge, which is pretty disappointing. What's the clock? Okay. Ooh. I know you use gas cans for a chainsaw. That I do remember. I've been in here, right? This one is untouched at least. Yes, I've been in here, okay. Here, how far away? How are you going that fast? You're broke the speed limit, you know? What's this? What's this? What's all this? do that. Oh, small stones. Ooh. I know how to build a shotgun now, so I need paper. I don't need duct tape. We have duct tape. Oh. Can I assemble the shotgun already? Let's see. How was it? Triangle, right? Assemble. Ooh. Interesting. What? No. What? Hold on, let me do this again. Okay. Woohoo. Okay, another part. I don't need a flashlight, I don't think so, but I need shotgun parts and a shotgun receiver. Shotgun receiver right here. The parts, I think we got some parts at home. Hey. Would you look at that? There you go. Let's go to the house. It's going to be awesome. When Jenny comes back, he'll be alright. What? You got a lot of weapons? Yeah. I got weapons for you. We have been sure to be able to take all the weapons parts and stuff with us all the time. So we haven't taken something else to do. Why is it getting so hot in here? Let me get rid of my shirt. It should help. I think. If not, the water shouldn't be far away. See, I'm getting closer and closer. Car station. Oh yeah. I don't think I've been here. I can hear a lot of zombies. Ooh, perhaps forge parts. Hold on, what? Ooh. I'm going to eat the food. Oh, okay. Almost there. There we go. Is anything good in here? Hold on. We got gas. I think we need to pick it off. Oh, so you can shoot it and it will explode? Yeah, let's not. Hold on. I have an idea. Put the map on. This place right here. Let's mark it. Save request. Let's just put like that. Okay. Let's get back to our house. And let's see if we can actually build some weapons and stuff, assemble them. Let's just go to the side. why we need to build tunnels. So it'll be a lot faster to get around and, you know, get back to the house. So you're like, oh, you set waypoints here and here, where the tunnels are. So you just go down and go all the way to the base. You're a bit. It means that I can put my clothes on, right? Yeah. You know, when it comes to this game, something interesting. Oh. Sledge. Hold on. Oh, I thought I had feathers on me. There you go. And now let's just swim. There is our house. It's not completely rendered yet, as you can see. And I'm going to build it a lot bigger in the future. I have some awesome ideas. Like rooms on the side, like some could be perfect this, down here, over down here, and over there and stuff. Oh my gosh, I got to pee. Let me get to the house. I need to go to the bathroom really quick. Okay. I need to go to the bathroom. Really? I really needed that. I seriously needed that. Whew. You have no idea. Do that. I feel great. What's this? Okay, more stuff. More notifications. Okay, here we are. Let's put some stuff in here. Hold on. There you go. I've got a full chest already. That's the good thing about living in here, out here. Let's see, where are our gun parts? This is pistol parts, okay. Do we have shotgun parts? I'm pretty sure if I remember correctly. We had shotgun parts somewhere. If I remember correctly, he put a lot of stuff from the weapons and stuff upstairs, but let's look here first. Shotgun parts. Hold on, here. What? I'm not able to use the shotgun without shotgun parts. Duh. Yes. Now it's usable. Wow. Okay. That was easy. Do we have ammo for the shotgun? What kind of rounds does a shotgun use? Yeah. I was pretty sure it was those kinds of rounds. I just had to be sure if this game took a turn. Up there at least. Not here. There either. What about upstairs? Whoa. Lag. Where are the zombies? I could just hear them. Oh, over there. Why are they suspecting me? I don't understand. Ooh, pistol rounds. Oh, and shotgun rounds. Yes. expensive. Looks like the shotgun just disappeared. Keep away. This is my house. What? Where is the shotgun? What? Doesn't make any sense. Where did we go? Okay, there you go. Can still hear some, but I seem they're hunting me. Is it downstairs somewhere? Where's the shotgun? I'm pretty sure I did. Oh, I did put it in here. Okay. It's the right ammo, right? Yes. Okay, that's pretty cool. So now let's see what other kinds. Whoa, hold on. Oh no, this 10 millimeters. Pretty sure that's not usable on a pistol. Let's just. No, you can't use it. Okay. Where is this something? I can hear someone. Where are you? What happened over there? Keep on hearing zombies running. Breaking my ground. Okay, are they down here? No. I just don't know where they are. coffee rise every day. Every day, copyright strikes hits me every day. The background is blue, but you can't see it because you can't see me. Oh no. Look at this, I'm making progress. Hold on. How do you share a waypoint? Everyone. Shared marker to everyone. Okay. Just know when Trenter finally comes back and I'll be like, hey, let's go over there, I shared a waypoint. Let's see who gets there first. And I'll just go downstairs and run over. Be a lot quicker than him. Just imagine that. When I'm actually done, you know, building this tunnel over there, I'll build it out of tree all the way over so it'll look more nicely, or cobblestone, not tree. It's a lot better to use tree, because I won't waste much resources, you know. Oh, I forgot, you get clay over here. Clay won't last forever, will it? So when I get past the clay, it'll be a lot faster. Because, you know, clay takes 200 and normal dirt, almost 50 I think. Just be two times. You can see I'm doing this like 5 times. Come on, clay, please be over. I need to make a new chest soon. It would also be cool if I made a new chest down here. You know, with lights and stuff. Ah, that would be interesting. Because it's like a mine, and then I just make a lot of torches and put them in a chest down here. If I could actually turn this single player map into a multiplayer map, pretty cool to share in the future when I'm actually like, I think like I was finished. So I could just share it with online so everyone could join, even around here. it will be like, this is my place. So it's like, if anyone tried to rape me, they would be dead. Come on, play be over, please. Be a lot faster when there's no play. Should be over soon. Oh, it seems like it's going to be over now. Because look at it. It doesn't look like it's clay anymore. We will see though. We will see. Hold on, do they have skill points? Got 15. Ooh. The workbench, please. Yes, I need this. Yay! Now I can actually make rounds for that gun. Ooh. This. How do you find bullet tips? Can you make them? Should be in resources then. I don't know. We will find out. Come on, Clay. You're soon over. Look how fast it is now. Let's make a new shovel. It's also great to use the shovel and mine and stuff, because I'll get a lot more level in mining. Look at that. Soon it'll just be one time push. What the? What? Am I going up? Doesn't seem like it. Okay, I should be going. Ooh. Oh, I see. Okay. Shoot all your problems away. Shoot all your problems away. Grab your gun, now you're having fun. Shoot. Oh my. You heard the sound. Do. Oh my. Why is the place looking like this? There you go. How far though? Oh my. Where are the three ones? Hold on, David. There we go. Oh look, we were going a bit further up. That was not my intention. So I have an idea. Block this path. Go one. Oh, where's my shovel? Just make a new one. Oh, it was there. Didn't see it. I'm blind. Now we're making some good progress. Okay, and now let's go back this way. Okay. Okay, I think I'll have to need to end the episode now really soon. Let's just, there we go, get back to the house and we will end this episode.